I will show you the HD1 basic operations here. For example, we're in 1.9. Basic information. The date need to read from the radio. Next, I will explain the setting, make you learn more about HD1. Password setting. When check them and read to the radio, next time when programming the radio wire software, you need to write the right password. Power on password. When you check it.
Channel mode 1.
Radio voice default on. There will be voice broadcast when operate the HD1. You can set the voice broadcast language, Chinese and English.
Function select. Cancel.
Scratch level, only workable for analog mode. Relay retransmission. Other radios may not have this function. It is repeater automatic connect times. The number indicates the time radio automatic transmitting will not connect repeater successfully after press PTT. AB frequency switch time. For lots of users, it is a little strange. We need to know the theory of dual band and dual standby first. When there is no signal, radio will scan both bands. When A has a signal, scan will stop. And starting receiving on band A when the signal is end. The radio will stay on band A for several seconds, and then start normal scan again. Here you can set the time. Maybe my explain is not professional, but I think the meaning is right. Battery save. Enabling this feature causes radio to enter battery save mode automatically if no carrier is detected or transmission is made within a certain period. Digital hang up. Within the setting time, it can transmit as received contacts. You can search Ailunce HD1 digital hang up from YouTube to learn more about it. Individual work. When there is no any operations within the set time, the radio will automatically alarm. Hams may use it very less. Zone selection. The default value is no zone. You can set it as you actually use. 2-emitter mode. 2 options. The default option is reverse code. Basically, all of the trill sound can be eliminated by reverse code. Very few radios maybe need to use a 5.4.7. 5.4.7 is just one more option. It's rarely used. Keylog switch. Checked and write it to the radio. When turned on the radio keypad is locked. You can long press this key to unlock the keypad. Auto keylog. Checked it. Radio default is auto. Tone. Prop mode voice switch. Same with the radio menu beep. Roger. Transmit ends promote voice switch. BDR. When check it, it means the radio default is dual standby. When don't check the BDR, you can set the working frequency. When you select the A frequency, your radio will default like this. Frequency is on the up, date and time is on the below. Radio cue and wake up indicates your radio accepts other radio remote cue and wake up. If you don't check them, your radio will never be remote cue or wake up. Learn more, you can search HD1 remote cue and wake up from YouTube. Color display time. When there is a signal, your radio will pop up a box to show the colors information. When the signal disappeared, how long the box will last. Here you can set by yourself. Backlight time. You can set it according to your own habits. Mac in, the default value is 0, so you can increase or decrease. They are all VOX settings you can set as your habit. Key setting. Set to set keys function, long press and short press. One key call. It is a common feature you can search related videos from YouTube. ID setting. It supports Silver 32. When you setting channels, you can select the ID you want to use based on the actual situation. You also can add, delete, edit the ID number and ID name via radio keypad. Radio broadcast. Receive only. 32 memory channels. You can write every channel frequency directly. Radio DW on indicates that listening to FM radio while receiving signals. Off indicates that listening to FM while stop receiving signals. HD1 consists of two parts. Priority contact can save 1000 contacts. Support import and export via CSV file. Add, delete, and sort. Priority contacts support edit via radio keypad, so it's suited for saving group calls. Address book contacts can save 100,000 contacts. The main difference is address book contacts can't edit via radio keypad, so more suited for saving private call contacts. Click the import contacts first after you have imported the contact date to the CPS. Then you can click the right contact and write the contact to the radio. Receive group list. If there is no group list, you need to click the right mouse button to add a first group list. Then you can set it as normal. Encryption. It consists of two parts, normal and enhanced. Some countries don't allow us to use it, so please strictly abide by local laws. HD1 is true VFO about how to program via radio keypad. I will show it later. I don't know how to show all the parameters, meaning I will give you a couple of examples. Click More, get into the channel setting. How to make HD1 communicate with another radio in analog simplex mode. First, get the other radio's setting information, such as how to set HD1 on software. First, select the analog mode. Second, write the receive frequency and transmit frequency. Third, select the CTCSS or DCS. Other parameters you can set as your use situation. We write a channel name here, test 1. How to program it via radio keypad directly. It is digital mode now. Long press exit to switch it to analog mode first. Write the frequency directly. Then go to the menu to set the CTCSS or DCS. Press star key to switch the CTCSS and CDS. C means transmit. CTCSS is same with the receive. You can set different values by receive and transmit. In VFO mode, we have set OK. Now we can save it as a channel. Menu, main set, save channel. CH means the channel is not empty. We select another one. Write a channel name, test1. Short press exit to switch VFO mode to channel mode. Channel 3. We can change the channel display method. Select name. Make HD1 communicate with another radio in analog repeater mode. This is the repeater information near my office. I want to see is the radio receive and transmit frequency is inverse with the repeater. Please make sure you check the relay. If not, it means this channel is talk around. Check how to program it via radio keypad. Radio receive is repeater transmit frequency. Save it as a new channel. Make HD1 communicate with another radio in DMR mode. For example, I want to communicate with another radio with this setting. We all have an DMR ID. First, we can set it. Write the group contact. You also can import by CSV file. If you need to add some group contacts in one receive group list, you can set here. If not, you don't need to set it. Now get into the channel setting. Select simplex. Double slot means DCDM. When you select custom, The below receive group list will be available only for this channel. If you select list 1, it means this list. I don't need the receive group list now. It is okay. Now set DMR repeater mode. The DMR repeater information is like this. The radio receive and transmit frequency is inverse with the repeater. Here, need to select the repeater. Don't check here. When checked, it means this channel is talk around. Now, let's see how to program it via radio keypad. When there is no repeater around you, it will show repeater fail. It means your radio don't connect the repeater successfully. Now save it as a channel. Other operation skills: copy and paste. Right-click the mouse. Spread the frequency. Press the Ctrl on the keypad. Put the mouse on the bottom of the soft wire. Left-click the mouse. Write the right password, then you can spread the frequency of your radio. Set a unique power on screen. click the right directly, it will restore the original photo Ailunce. You can click Read, select a new photo, then click Write to make a unique power on screen. Hope it can help you learn more about HD1. If you want to learn more about it, you can enter into Ailunce's website. Check blog, forum, if not found what you need, contact us or leave a message. Thank you.